I'm tryna make it out my situation. When a man taught this love and his liberation. In a million, it's United Nation. Black man in this world, it's a intimidation. I'm tryna make it out my situation. When a man taught this love and his liberation. In a million, it's United Nation. Black man in this world, it's a intimidation.
Prime focus, key unlock, mind open. I'm loathing, I'm broken, and I'm hoping for a better day, better way with my mind motion. Look in the mirror, who in fear, but I'm bogus. Cause I'm alive, same as I lie, and I'm in ride. If I should die, deliver my soul from my shaitan. If I should die, cover my soul, where else should I? If I survive without my God, then I'm alive. Long live the king, death to those who intervene. By any means, paying homage, that's to his being. That's through the mire, twisted metal and through the wire. What you admire could direct you to see the fire. Who do you hire to go running your empire? Make him a liar when you fake it in satire. Without the pliers, rain in his mouth without the prior. That's how it is, that's for the Lord and I'm his kid.
That was caused men to ride over our heads. We went through fires and through water, but thou brought us out to a wealthy place and a refreshment. I will go into thy house with burnt offerings. I will pay thee my vows, which my lips have uttered and my mouth hath spoken when I was in trouble.
Long live the king, said of the Nazarene. True to what I believe, the truth is what I believe. At night I couldn't sleep, visions he sending me. God, could it be the sun? I am he. Get it by enemies, my enemy. I couldn't blame Satan. Now I'm patiently waiting for our Savior to save us before the flame up. Lift his name up, the blood that stain us, protect us from danger. By the angel, the world was given to Satan and his angel. The wisdom is where the saints go, where there ain't no sin. They keep us strangled by the angles. Help us, who am I? The Adonai, I left at top, the one that was crucified, who died for them and I, who real, keep us alive, keep us on the fire.
Come in here, all ye that fear God, and would declare what he had done for my soul. I cried unto him with my mouth, and he was extolled with my tongue. If I record iniquity in my heart, the Lord would not hear me. But verily God have heard me, he have attended to the voice of my prayer. I'm tryna make it out my situation. When a man taught his love and his liberation. In a million, it's United Nation. Black man in this world, it's a intimidation. I'm tryna make it out my situation. When a man taught his love and his liberation. In a million, it's United Nation. Black man in this world, it's a intimidation.
Then we should all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. And if we should die tonight, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time, calling out, Father, oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. There's a